Hello, myself Yutik Patel and my topic is objectives, functions and importance of HRM. The primary objective of resource management is to ensure seamless experience for the staff and other people associated to management and organizational goals. Objectives of HRM include ensuring availability of resources, easy to access data, on-time payroll, ensuring compliances, etc. HRM objectives are basically influenced by organizational goals and vertical. Objectives of HRM is to ensure a stable work environment with data at one place and efficient operation. Let's talk about the 8 objectives of HRM. First is achieving organizational goals. Second is work culture. Third is team integration. Fourth is training and development. Fifth is employee motivation. Sixth is work enforcement. And seventh is retention. And the last and the eighth, data and about the functions of human resource management. The functions of HRM holds great significance in the growth and overall development of the organizations. After all, when the employees grow and develop their skills, the organization will automatically experience growth and expansion. Some of the primary functions of HRM include job design and job analysis, recruitment, hiring and selection, training and development, compensation and benefits, performance management, managerial goals and relation about the labor relation. Key functions of HRM. First is job design and job analysis. Second is employee hiring and selection, which is the main process and the main function of human resource management. Third is employee training and development. Fourth is compensation and benefits. Fifth is employee performance managerial relations, and the last function of HRM is labor relations. Moving further, let's speak about the importance of HRM. To increase the productivity and profit, human resource management ensures right quality and quantity of personnel in workplace, apart from which it creates opportunities to facilitate and motivate individual and group of employees to grow, advance their career. Motivated employees work hard to meet their personal career goals, which directly influences productivity of organizations. Minimizing cost and maximizing profit is the essence of the main productivity. To produce employees who are easily adaptable to change. It is really hard to understand. Human resource management performs various functions, among which training and development of employees is one of the vital ones. Training and development programs keep employees updated with skills necessary to adjust with alteration of organization's environment, structure and technology. Third one is to match demand and supply of human resources. The topic is really easy. To match the demand supply of human resources. Human resource management probes existing human resource in certain interval of time to identify if the company has adequate number of workers or not. In case when company has inadequate resources or human resources management performs activities like recruitment and selection to balance the need. In the same way, it lay off inefficient employees in case when the company has excessive employees.
Greetings of the day everyone. My name is Sairesha and today I am going to explain about recruitment and selection process in human resource department. So what is recruitment? Recruitment is a process where a potential candidate is searched and pursued to apply for an actual vacancy, hiring employees among the shortlisted candidate and providing them to the organization which are fit for the vacancy. As it is to be seen, there is a lot of difference between recruitment and selection procedure, which is very important to know. Recruitment procedure may seem of one-step procedure for the employment, however it is not. It compiles of various steps. As it is said, recruitment procedure contains the various steps. So there are total 6 steps. The first step is known as analyzing the job requirements. Second step is known as advertising the vacancy. Third step is known as attracting the candidates to apply for the job. Fourth step, which is known as managing the response. Fifth step is known as inspection of application, and the last 6th step is known as shortlisting the candidate. The recruitment activities done by the human resource department are done by the 2 ways, internally or externally. The internally procedures are done by the 2 ways, transfer or by promotion. The externally procedures are done by many ways like advertising, recruitment at the factory grade, casual callers, educational institution, employment consultancies, labor contractors, and selection is a process where basically the implication of the right person in the right job. However, it involves various steps. The first step is known as preliminary interview. Second step is known as receiving the application. Third step is known as screening. Fourth step is known as employment test, like aptitude test, intelligence test, performance test, and many more. So the next step is known as interview. The further step is known as the reference checking, then further medical exam, and then we have the final selection.